As you can see, we have another day, Tuesday, and I'm going for unloading 6.7 kilometers. And then we are going for loading. Yeah. And then we are going to Poland. Yes, we are going, and the road is so shit. Like, you have no idea how shit it is. And it is just one of two roads, yeah. One of two main roads to get to the area of companies, yeah. Like, just look at it, like, oh my god, Italy. Jeez. Oh my god. Like, everything is shaking here, you know. Oh my god. It's 8 AM by the way. Yeah, we have some trash, why not? Yeah, that's fucking shaky morning, yeah. Like, I already don't need a coffee, yeah. I woke up from this road. Like, why they are not going to fix it, you know? I don't know. As you can see, I have my trailer, yes, I have it, and we are empty. It's basically 9 AM, everything is done, and we are driving 120 kilometers to a petrol station to get some diesel, yeah. I need to get some diesel for truck, I need to get some AdBlue, and we need some diesel for generator because we are going to take a load that requires temperature. So yeah, we have to stop, unfortunately. I have no idea what kind of load it is. Okay, that was very beautiful Italian lady in this car, yeah. I don't know if you have seen. So yes, that's the company. I have no idea what kind of load I will take. I just know that we have to keep the temperature something like 20 degrees, yeah, in Frigo. So it's not bad, yeah, it's not bad. Like between 15 and 25, so it's going to be start-stop on 20 degrees, yeah, it will be fine. Yes, we have 120 kilometers to petrol station and 270 kilometers for loading. Yes, and we are going to load probably some kind of medicine. I'm not sure, but the company is basically producing medicines, so maybe. You never know, yeah, you never know. Yeah, I still have this shitty road to highway, and then we have basically highway to Roma, yes, Roma. But then we have to go kinda right, yes. But then we are going straight to Bologna and Venezia, and later on to Austria. Simple road, yeah, just simple road. Roma, bene, bene. Yeah, we have 28 degrees. It is 9:44 a.m. and we already have 28 degrees. Welcome to Italy. It's perfect. It's perfect. Yes, there, far, far away is Roma. Oh my god, Volvo, drive! Like, this cruise control is killing me sometimes. Just drive. 74 kilometers to petrol station. Okay, so I left the highway and I have just 1 kilometer to a petrol station. It is somewhere here, very, very close. Oh yeah, it's probably this one. Q8. Probably this one. Hopefully they have some place to maneuver, yeah. Yeah, it's Italy, okay? It's Italy after all, so it is not so obvious that you will have place to maneuver yourself on a petrol station for trucks, yeah. No, we even have a sign for trucks, nice. Okay, we have to probably exit here. Probably. Yeah. Okay. I will have to find something, you know. Yeah. Frigo is running very nicely. We have a bit more of diesel and full AdBlue. Full diesel I will take in Austria because it is just cheaper, yeah. Yes, and we have 150 kilometers for loading. 150 kilometers. By the way, do you know that we have 31 degrees outside? Holy shit. 11:46 a.m. 31 degrees. Perfect, you know? For some people perfect, for others not so good. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, that's castle. Oh my god. Small castle, something like that. Like, at least they have tower, okay? Oh my god. That's probably the city, yeah. Oh my god, what? Bene. Bene. It's beautiful. Oh my god. What? Oh my god, look at this view. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. It's perfect, you know. And we have some roadworks. I have to overtake this guy in front of me because uphill he's driving like 30 per hour. It is just unacceptable for me. Okay. Like, I don't have that much time today to drive 30 per hour uphill. No. Oh, this view is what's like, we have plenty of like cities, villages, you know, and those mountains. That's going to be the time to overtake. Like, I don't care, okay? We can or not, we are doing this. This guy, I mean this guy, yeah. And that's it, it's done. Oh my god, look at this city there. Oh my god, have you seen that? The city at the edge of the hill. Oh my god. Crazy, you know, crazy. I have never been in this part of Italy, yeah? Like, it's beautiful. Oh my god, just look at the city. Oh my god. Beautiful. Just beautiful. We have 32 degrees outside. I still have 80 kilometers to go. We have to overtake this guy because like he's driving 80 per hour and the speed limit for him, it is not 80 per hour, okay? It is 110 kilometers per hour. So it's like I can drive 80 per hour, yeah? Oh, look at this. Very nice style, you know, and coloring and so on. Yeah. Oh, we have some blocks. What kind of style it is? It is not Soviet style. I mean, it would be kinda similar, you know? If you are going to look at it maybe with one eye at the evening, after a few drinks, you might say, yeah, it is Soviet style, you know, something similar. Yes. Park Hotel. Okay. Yeah, very nice area. A lot of hills, a lot of small villages, small cities, you know, bigger cities. Very nice area. The Frigo is running constantly because we have to kinda charge the battery, yeah. So I will run it up to the company and then I will still keep it on for something like, I don't know, like maximum 4 hours more, yeah. So I will be sure that this battery is charged, you know. But still, maybe the battery is fucked up completely. I don't know. We are going to see during the first night. That's the biggest problem, okay, for me with, for example, driving with cigarettes, yeah, with Frigo, because you are basically not using the generator, yeah, because you have just cigarettes, so the battery is just not charged and it is slowly dying. And you might have a situation when the battery is like completely done, you know, and it needs to be replaced. I do not recommend that kind of situation. Yeah, because later on we have to set Frigo for 20 degrees and the start-stop mode, so it's not going to run constantly, but whenever the temperature will drop a few degrees, yeah, below 20, it's going to turn on, and whenever the temperature will rise above 20, it's going to turn on as well. Okay, so what is happening? We have very beautiful view, and that's probably my exit. Probably. I'm not sure because, like, technically we have 4 exits from the highway that we can use to get there. That's the first one. I don't know. 10 kilometers I have from here. Okay, so we are using country roads. I have just 4 kilometers. Probably we can get there because I have seen trucks, you know, driving. And we have a problem. Yeah, we have problem with doors, like those doors that are giving access to generator, yeah, because the lock was probably loose or it is broken, I don't know, and the door just opened, you know, when I was turning on the crossing section, and now the doors are just fucked up, you know, like kinda broken a bit. I will show you later, or I will show you pictures. I don't know, because it's very hot, yeah. Like right now I just want to get there. We are going to load it and then I will think what to do with doors, you know, to like lock it somehow, you know. I mean, right now it is locked, but it might open again. Yeah, like, I don't know. Okay, we have to like go here. Technically we can. I haven't seen any kind of sign that is telling me that I cannot. So yeah, I have just like 2 kilometers. I don't know. That's okay, like the road is wide enough. We don't have any kind of height limitation or stuff like that. I mean, okay, maybe the road is not wide enough, okay? There's a truck in front. But we have the right to go as a first one. Oh, look at this bridge. You know, holy shit, this bridge is just crazy. Fortunately, it was a small truck, you know, small one. But still. Okay. I don't know what to do with this door, you know, like I need some I don't know, some kind of rope, you know, or a belt, something like that to lock it in place, but I don't know. It's very hard to say. Okay, like 1 kilometer. Yeah, it's 32 degrees outside, you know. I was just for a moment outside and I'm just wet, you know, completely. Holy shit. Okay, we kinda have to go right somewhere here. We have some kind of sign to go right. But okay, the sign was for the different street. And we are going here. Yeah, it's okay. As you can see, I got a map from the lady from reception. She told me to like park in a certain place, yeah, on the map, and to wait that someone will come to me, you know. I'm trying to figure out, like, okay, so that's the first intersection and we have to park after, like here. Okay, so we are going. I have my load and we are driving to the express road, the same as before. Yeah, I have set my maps for petrol station because I need something cold to drink. It's 34 degrees outside, okay? It's 34 degrees, come on. And if you are wondering what kind of load I have, I don't know. Some kind of boxes with not with medicines, but like some kind of packages, you know, for medicines, like stuff like that. But still we have to kind of carry it in a certain temperature. I mean, the temperature range is from 15 degrees to 25, so that's a big range of temperature, yeah. But still, it has to be done like that. Probably, yeah, because the guys here in this company, they told me that they don't care about temperature, yeah. Like, they just don't give a fuck. But the guys in Poland, you know, the company in Poland that ordered this load, they want a certain temperature, yeah. So, like, okay. Yeah, it is some kind of road that is going around the city to this express road. Oh my god, oh my god. I still have done nothing with those doors, yeah. I will use a tape, okay? I have a tape to fix a normal trailer, you know, a curtain trailer. Conestoga, you know, in American English, I don't know, something like that. So I have that kind of tape to fix, you know, trailers. It is very strong tape, you know, like, it is strong, waterproof and so on. So I will use piece of this tape, because it's very expensive tape, to basically like connect, you know, those doors together. Right now it is locked, and technically it should be locked, you know, like that, but you know, like, it opened itself, so it might open itself again, and I don't want that kind of situation, okay? So we are going to use a tape. Obviously I have done pictures, you know, because they have to send it to Augusta, to Spain, that there is a damage, you know, so they will probably replace it, yeah, or maybe they will fix it somehow, I don't know, because the door is basically something like plastics, like, not even a plastic, it's like, I will write you on the screen because I forgot the name in English. It's exactly made out of this, so it is basically fixable, yeah. Very beautiful, you know, fiberglass. Oh, fiberglass, yes. Fiberglass. It's made out of this. Yeah, when it's basically 34 degrees, I can forget words, you know, even a whole language. It is how it is, you know, it is how it is. Can we enter here to this highway, or it is closed? I don't know. Like, technically it's closed, but I haven't seen the sign telling me that it's closed. But we have something here. I don't know. Interesting. Don't tell me that the sign is basically at the end of it, that I cannot enter. Or maybe I can. I cannot! Holy shit, look! It's basically here that I cannot enter. Fuck. And what I'm supposed to do? Shit. There's a car behind me, so I cannot do much. Just like that, yeah. We have to figure out something. Yeah, probably I have to drive like that, using this city. Okay, that's what I will do. we don't have any kind of sign telling me that I cannot use this road, so okay. As long as we don't have height limitation, it's okay. We can have weight limitation because we are light. Yeah, I have just 10 tons of load, so it's not so bad. It's okay. We don't have any kind of bridges here. Yeah. I'm just looking if we have any kind of signs, you know, for trucks, like limitations. Oh yeah, door open again. Ah, fuck. It's bullshit, you know, it is just bullshit. As you can see, we have a professional repair done because I was on the roundabout in city and the door opened again itself, you know, just like that. So I'm like, fuck it, you know. Right now it's not going to open, no, because this tape is very strong, very expensive. We can go. I have almost 400 kilometers to a parking. I still have to take a break on the way and I will try to get there, yeah, or maybe even further away than this parking, I don't know, but probably I will park there because when I will get there it's going to be like 9 or 10 p.m. and you are not going to park after 9 or 10 p.m. in Italy on the highway. Forget about it, okay? It's not going to happen. And this parking, it is paid parking, so I will park there. Okay, let's go, because it's 35 degrees almost. I'm just dying. Oh my god, just look at this. Look at this. It's amazing. The road is not amazing, no. Oh, like it's beautiful, no, beautiful. Nice, nice. Someone is living there, up there, between trees. Very nice. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. It's beautiful city, beautiful. So nice, like, it's perfect. You know, it is just perfect. What this guy is doing, we have like 4 trucks in front, you know, and he's overtaking. Crazy. And he has no power, like, look at this. He's barely passing them. Like, what the fuck? Like, okay, they are driving like 80 per hour, yeah, but he's driving like, I don't know, 84? God damn. Damn. As you can see, I'm on the highway and we have 285 kilometers to the parking. I have still 4 hours 20 minutes of driving time left, so I will make it, you know, easily. Unless we are going to have some kind of traffic jam. Italian stau, maybe, I don't know. But for now it's okay, there's no traffic jam, we can make it. Okay, so what is happening? Look at this. The sun is going down, we have 8:25 p.m. and we have still 32 degrees outside. Italy, come on, just give me a break. Yeah, I guess that temperature will go down probably after 9 p.m. Oh, that's beautiful view. That's just beautiful. Yes, and I will arrive to my parking almost at 10 p.m. so it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I will take 9 hours of break, and tomorrow 7 a.m. we are driving. Yes, we are already on the country road and the parking is almost here. Just 600 meters. I have my window open because it's just warm. It's 25 degrees outside. Yeah, we have this parking here. Oh look, interesting, we have some trucks parked like that here. But we are not going here, yeah, we are just going for it inside. Oh, to have a full experience, yeah. Like which one? This one?